Welcome back. This is Miles Pitcher, Superior Lending, your all-in-one mortgage expert. Today, we want to take a deep dive into some of the numbers in a comparison between a 30-year conventional loan and the all-in-one loan. We'll run it today as a purchase. Of course, you can always hop to our website and go through the simulator yourself and throw in your own numbers. Let's take a look today at a 30-year mortgage versus the all-in-one. We're going to use our simulator, which you can find at my website, superiorlending.net. And when you come to it, you click on Start a New Simulation. We are going to assume that this is a purchase today. So we're going to compare it against a new loan, and it will be a primary residence. We'll assume this is a $600,000 purchase with a $400,000 loan amount. We're going to compare against a 30-year fixed. And today's interest rates, ballpark, are right around 5%. We'll even go a little bit higher, 5.25. So principal and interest is 2208. We hit next, and these are the deposits that the clients have coming in, and we're dealing with the net deposits or after taxes. We're going to assume that our clients get $4,000 every paycheck after taxes, and they get paid every 2 weeks. So the monthly deposits are $8,600. Annual average for the household is $104,000. And this is right in line with what the average income is for the county I live in, $104,000. Now, if you have a one-time deposit happening, like a large gift or inheritance, you could enter that in. You could put a one-time deposit in right there and put what month it's going to happen, and it will factor into the formula. Or maybe at the end of the year, you get a year-end bonus. So you could put in that $10,000 bonus in month 12, and it will add it in. We're going to move on to the expenses or spending. And there are two ways to enter these. We're not doing the second way, which is to itemize, and you can go into detail there and really dig into the exact of it. I like to look at it as how much is left over every month. So the simulator automatically estimates property taxes and homeowners insurance. And this is a national average. It's high, at least for where I live, but that's okay to be conservative. So here's our 30-year mortgage that you see coming from the first page. But we're going to start out by saying at the end of the month, our clients are going to have $2,166 or 25% of their income left over. And this will go into calculating the comparison, and we'll come back and play with this number and show you how it affects things. Take note that right here, future one-time expenses. So maybe you have to pay your taxes next year and you already know what those are. You can enter those in and it will get factored in. So let's click on calculate results. This is pretty cool because you can see that our client here will have this all-in-one paid off in 9.9 years if everything goes as we entered. The 30-year mortgage, you can see that with all the total interest and the payments are paying $795,000. Compared to the all-in-one, this will save them $270,000. That's pretty awesome. If we come here to our rates and assumptions, you can see right now this is choosing the 1-month adjustable product. For fun, let's just pick the 5-year fixed, then adjustable. You can see right now that it is using a historical average, which is 5.78. That is right in line where rates are right now. Initial rate is 5.76, but you can choose some different options here and run the scenario. So let's hop back to the results here with the 5-year fixed. Really didn't move our years too much, but 272,000 saved. The other things I like to look at with clients is under pay down summary. I like to look at the break even average rate. What this means is if the rates in the all-in-one were to jump up significantly, at what point is the all-in-one going to be worse than the 30-year mortgage? And it would need to get up to 11.15 in our scenario right here. That's pretty cool. Another thing I like to look at is the pay down table, where here on the left we have the all-in-one, and then we have our traditional mortgage. And if we scroll down to where our all-in-one balance hits 0 right there, you can see there's still 328,000 left on the 30-year mortgage. It's pretty incredible. This isn't just a nice little chart right here that shows in blue the credit limit that would be available to our client. And you can see how it would reduce down beginning in year 10. And then by the time it's 30 years, it's paid off and it's closed. Traditional mortgage is here in the green, and the all-in-one is here in the black. So helpful chart to show your scenario. One more note on here is the save and share. You can save your scenario, and you can have multiple scenarios. When you click on this, I like to come in and create a login or a profile. All you have to do is put your first name, last name, email address, and then give your simulation a name. And when you come back, all you have to do is put in your first name, last name, email address, and all your simulations will be, you can pull those back up and play with them. Let me know if you have any questions on this. This is a really helpful tool to just put side by side your options and to see if it makes sense to do the all-in-one. Have a great one. My name's Miles Pitcher. I'm the owner of Superior Lending, your all-in-one expert. Let's talk soon.